In this video, let's talk about when do you need to install wheel spacers on your Tesla Model S. Let's go. In these situations, you will need to install wheel spacers on your Tesla Model X. The first is correcting the wheel offset, and the second is installing larger brake calipers. Finally is getting a better Tesla Model X stand with a flush wheel appearance. In addition, the bonus Tesla Model X wheel spacers are forged from 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloy material. With high-strength tensile and yield properties, even in the course of decades of use can still maintain excellent mechanical properties. It will not occur in the case of fracture. If you like extreme driving and drifting, we recommend 7075T6 wheel spacers. If it is just for daily driving, then 6061T6 spacers are enough. If you want to get the bonus wheel spacers for your Tesla Model S, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.